Hello, folks. Welcome to Hands-On History. I'm Nancy Pennington, Coordinator of Youth and Family Programs here at the North Carolina Museum of History. Today we're going to be doing some looking, some thinking, and some making, and having some fun. Look closely at this object and take a moment to think about what you see. What do you notice? What do you wonder? What does it remind you of? When George Lerner saw his kids playing with their dinner, he grabbed 2 potatoes and began decorating them. Mr. Potato Head was born. Mrs. Potato Head, along with a son, Spud, and a daughter, Yam, appeared soon after. At first, the kits contained only body parts to be used with real fruits or vegetables. A plastic potato was added to each kit in 1964, and friends Katie the Carrot and Cookie the Cucumber soon followed. You can make your own potato person with a sweet potato. Did you know that the sweet potato was the state vegetable of North Carolina? So to make a potato person, you need a sweet potato, a skewer, some toothpicks, some foam pieces or paper, a pencil, scissors, tape, some thumbtacks, some pipe cleaners, and you can have some markers if you'd like. So to get started, first thing that you need to do is make your hands and feet. Now I have already done that a bit, but what I can do is to make the hands and feet, all you need to do is draw the shape that you might like. There you go. Now I've done my hands and feet already, but of course I might want to do some eyes and a nose and maybe a mouth. So why don't I make those? So you can see it a little better. I'm going to use a marker. So I'm going to make myself a nice blue nose. And maybe an orange mouth, a really happy mouth. Okay, of course I need to cut those out. And you don't got to worry about the marker because of course what you can do is the marker can be on the back. Okay, so how do I put the feet and the hands on? Well, with the feet, you can just poke the toothpick through, choose where you want your feet to be, and push that toothpick in a bit. So there's one leg, your next toothpick, leg number 2. Okay, now hands and arms. This is where you'll need to use your tape. A little bit of tape, maybe a smaller amount. Tape hand 1 on. There you go. Hand number 1. Hand number 2, tape that one, and make sure to squish your tape down really good so it stays put. Come here, you. Okay. Hand number 1, hand number 2. I have one hand going up and down, that's fine. Okay, now how am I going to do my mouth and my nose? Of course. Tape comes in handy again. So I'm going to push very carefully. Whoops, I'm going to push my push pin through the tape. And I'm going to tape it to the back of the mouth. And tape again for the nose. When you're unhappy with that tape, you can either fold it over. Of course, you can cut the edges off if you want. Now, what am I missing? I have my hands, my nose, my mouth. You guys notice what's missing? Yep, you got it. We need some eyes. So I think I am going to make my eyes orange as well. And so I need 2 eyes. And I'm going to cut them out at the same time. So notice how I'm doing this. I'm just going to make some round-ish eyes. And how am I going to make those stay? I'm going to take tacks, and there's the center of my eye there. And I need another tack. And I'm back. Tack number 2. So now I have my eyes, my nose, my mouth, and my hands. So put those in too, and I'm going to have him have his hands up like he's saying hello. And now put the eyes where we like them. Make him look a little. There we go. Mouth, happy mouth. Nose in the center. There we go. Now, what's missing? You can leave your sweet potato person like that, or if you want to, you can add some antlers or hair with pipe cleaners or something else that you see. Just because I do it this way, of course, you do not have to do it this way. Let your imagination go. So I'm going to take 2 pieces of pipe cleaner. And to make the holes, because the sweet potato is pretty hard, I'm going to use my skewer. That's what I'm going to make my holes with to start off with. And I could either make my antlers very straight, or I could take a pencil and I could wrap that pipe cleaner around, and there's antler number 1. Here's antler number 2. And there we go. 1 sweet potato person, 2 sweet potato people. You can make a bunch of them and show your friends. You want to know more? Make more? Visit History at Home at our website, ncmuseumofhistory.org. See you next time on Hands on History.